In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single arm TRX row. So firstly, we've actually got to set the TRX up to single arm mode, because remember, when we're doing a single arm TRX row, we only need one arm in contact with the TRX. Now, why do we need to put the TRX into single arm mode? Why can't we just go for it, right? So let's say, for example, I had a client, they popped one TRX handle away from the body. They started to come back until they got tension on the TRX. All of a sudden, the TRX could give and they could fall over or have an injury, right? So that is exactly why we put this into single arm mode. So how do we do that? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to just quickly have a look at the TRX. We've got this triangle here, and then we've got the D-shaped handle here. What you're going to do is you're going to put one of these handles through the triangle of the other TRX, and then you're going to do exactly the same the other way around, okay? So this one, now the front one, goes through the triangle handle, and from here, I've now set up single arm mode. That's going nowhere. So from here, what you're going to do, decide which arm you want to do. I'm going to do my left for the sake of this video and showing you on the camera. You've got to have this TRX in line with you. So find where the TRX is, make sure you're not standing off center. And then from here, once you've got that tension on the TRX, you're going to bring your feet hip width apart, feet facing forwards, and you're going to suspend yourself back, trying to keep a nice neutral line from your head all the way to your feet. So a nice diagonal line. You shouldn't feel like you're sitting back or coming too far up into this TRX position. From here, you're going to row your elbow into the body and slowly come back to where your start position was. Each time you do that, that's a repetition. You're trying to squeeze your shoulder blade at the same time when you come up, so you're retracting your shoulder blade. And from here, as soon as you come up, if you feel like actually it's getting too easy, all you have to then do is just walk your position further forward with the feet, keep your eye line looking up at that TRX, and then you can progress from there.